going to go for a ride on the SkyTrain. We go on the embassy. We've got a bag of documents.
Taking you for a ride on the SkyTrain.
Yeah.
Taking you for a ride on the SkyTrain.
They
You haven't been on the train? You haven't been on the SkyTrain? New experience for you.
It is.
Split a ticket out here. There's one, and change.
It's pretty clever. Unlike in Australia where you've got to put your money in first.
Okay, now off we go. We're going to little keep it.
Yeah? Which way?
Has it different? Yeah, come in here. Come in here.
There it is.
Oh, bloody hell, come. Okay. Up this way.
You need to get used to the camera because it's on all the time. Just not think about it.
Hello.
Just not think about it.
From Sweden. Your hand, your bed. Here it comes. Have a look at the track before we get on. Look at the track. Here it comes. Right? Go on, we go. What's your head? Yeah.
Very shy, she says.
Hello.
Hello.
It's got a little map of the stations in the back too.
Oh.
That's us. Little map.
Yeah, I've seen that.
We're on the dark green bit. We're going to go on?
Oh, yeah, short run.
Yeah, we're going to Surisat. The second last one. Then I've got one of these things.
Yeah?
Just here.
It's pretty nice in here.
Yeah, not bad. Just get them up full of people, right?
No.
And here we go, we're off.
Peak hours.
They got a pretty good ride to them, even though they go up and down and around and around.
Get mobile.
Yeah, this is good.
First station.
สถานีต่อไปราชดำเนิน next station ราชดำเนิน
They're close together, Brian, aren't they? Couple of
You gotta remember you're just going over it.
That is, they come in from the airport and they finish it.
Yeah.
Makes it £90 business. be almost taking on a policeman off the street.
It's not cool in here,
Yeah, but I mean, you take your taxis up the road, they all go broke when the sky train goes into the... yeah, but I mean, you know what I mean. They'll take a lot of work off of it. It must only be 100 baht or something. One way.
ราชดำเนิน
We're going this side.
Alright, Saturday day, we're going to go 2 more after this road. There's a dodgy building there that we never joined when you get there. We won't be so graffiti and everything. Have a look how white you are.
We're going this side.
Alright, Saturday day, we're going to go 2 more after this road. There's a dodgy building there that we never joined when you get there. We won't be so graffiti and everything. Have a look how white you are.
They are on rails, it's not a train, they're on a train line. They must be on airbags.
ไปสุรศักดิ์ next station สุรศักดิ์
It's only 23 days, isn't it? He boss, I gotta go where he said. Where do you live? On here? On here? Where do you live? On this side? Your house small.
Yeah, this is nuts. This is the area.
Not finished.
Oh, it's in there. Have you told the kids about
สุรศักดิ์
say they're going to have to break the laws? You're in the area.